Wrong way. Wrong way again. look at his little baby black cat. Look at it. He's really small. You barely see him. This is the good stuff right here, y'all. Wolf chili with bean. Wolf chili. Hot cornmeal chili. Huh? No, there's no more right now. There's probably some fell in the car, but I don't know right now. What's up, guys? YouTube Jared here. Today is the 30th of October. I'm gonna pick up Julian. I'm already here at his place. We're gonna, me and T are gonna stay in the island tonight. I forget the name of the place though. Look at, there's a squirrel on that fence thing. All right, so let me go call Julian. So we found Philip DeFranco here in Academy. He's shopping around. You know what I'm saying? We're here at Academy. What does she want, dude? Ask her what she wants, bro. We're here at Academy, you guys. We're looking at the clothes. So you know how it is over here, man. Julian is looking for a shirt right now because his other shirt smells really good.
Hey, where's your loose fitting long sleeve?
Loose fitting long sleeve?
Yeah. Nah, that's good, man. So we're gonna eat at Freebirds. This is the first time I've eaten here. So me and Julian are gonna eat at Freebirds. Like I said, this is the first time I'm eating here, so I'm gonna do like a review. I'm gonna do like a quick review of it. It's like, he says it's like Chipotle, so we're gonna find out. So this is the this is the burrito from Freebirds, right? So how does it taste, man? So out of 1 to 10, what would you rate it? I don't know. He's running away from the question, you guys. I don't know where he's going. Napkins, okay. Okay, so I want to open this one up. They twisted the edges or the sides, so.
Give it a 10.
Okay, he gave it 10. You don't give 10s out that freely, but it is Freebirds, so I don't know. Maybe 10 is good. Okay, let me see here. So, yeah, this one looks pretty good, man. Let me record me biting this. Man, you're eating, you're so weird. Okay, are you got me? Let me try this out, guys. So good. It is actually really good. We got chicken, lemon rice, salad, refried beans. I put a lot of stuff in here, but the thing is, it is actually really good. Julian was right. I was doubting him for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rate this actually a 9, you guys. This is really good. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Today is not over. We're still supposed to be eating at Luby's according to Julian, and doing some other fun stuff. So we'll see what's up. So now we're going to Toys R Us, man. Freebirds was pretty good. Free Willies. Now Julian wants to go to Toys R Us and look at some baby toys. So no, we're gonna look at some manly toys, man. We're gonna look at some games, like some for mature games and stuff. And look at some Barbie dolls. Barbie dolls, man, they're gangsters. Ask them where the Barbie dolls are at. Hey, man, this is true. This one's way brighter than the Toys R Us I used to work at. Mine was dark. It had like a lot of dark energy. Bro, let's go look for the Pokemon cards and the hamster wheels. Whoa, you got Yoda. You got everybody here, man. You got all kind of like trinkets and toys everywhere. Toys, man. Have you seen the Jumanji? Have you seen the Jumanji? Let's go look for the Jumanji box, Julian. Julian, let's go look for some toys. So what does this thing do? Do it, man. It stopped all of a sudden when I started recording. Hey, whoa. There we go. He's not defending nothing, man. Out guy, there's like a Lego figure of Julian grabbing his butt. And look. So, man, these are all like little Lego pieces, man. Look at even the face. So we're here at Luby's now. There's Jay over there. We're here at Luby's now. I'm getting me some Parmesan chicken. Maybe some from down there. That one looks good right there. You know what I'm saying?
What you talking about, fool?
Hold on, fool.
Damn, look at this piece of shit.
Whoa. She's right there, man. She just passed by. Your friend.
That's the section that's mostly packed.
Do you have it all your own? Oh, she's gone.
Yeah, and I don't know if you saw my other books where he's calling me a glass.
Oh yeah, he gave me like this weird funky look. Like he's, yeah. I bought it from my Zara in Japan.